Now we have some more inside details of Prime Minister and Chief Minister's meet on COVID crisis. Prime Minister says, and I quote, "We can't decide when vaccine will arrive. Scientists will decide when the vaccine will be ready." And then you have the Prime Minister slamming politics over vaccine. Here's Prime Minister Narendra Modi saying that the vaccine and its arrival is yet uncertain. It's for the scientists to really give information on when the vaccine will be ready, when will it be rolled out. And he slams politics now. That's right now, in fact, political backlash that comes on the name of vaccine, slamming it, saying that this is not for governments to decide, it's for the scientists to give us information on vaccines. Ashutosh should tell us more on that. Ashutosh, Prime Minister Narendra Modi there hitting out at politics brewing over vaccines and vaccine distribution, and says it's not for him or the governments to decide or speak on that, it's for scientists to tell us when the vaccine will be ready and when will it be rolled out. What really prompted the Prime Minister there to make that comment?
So there are two narratives. One, of course, the entire world is concerned when the vaccine will be available for the mass vaccination program. What we know, the US is likely to roll out mass vaccine program by next month, end of the next month. Here in India, the Union Health Minister said that maybe early next year the vaccine will be available and it will be first provided to the health workers. Now, where did it all start as far as politics on vaccination is concerned? It started in Bihar. If you remember, it was promised by BJP's manifesto the vaccine will be provided free of cost in Bihar. It was completely rolled out and backlash invited from the opposition camp. Then they started saying, now there is an election in Bihar, you are promising free vaccination in Bihar. Soon there will be election in Bengal, then you will promise free vaccination in Bengal. Now, because there have been politics between both the ruling establishment and also the opposition camp over the vaccination program, because lack of clarity and lack of arrangements or mechanism in place so far, how it will be provided, what will be the cost, and how it will be rolled out as far as entire mass scale of the program is concerned. And that seems to be one of the trigger point why the Prime Minister, in fact, emphasized on this, that there should not be a politics on the vaccination, because end of the day it is the scientists who will decide when it should be rolled out, unless and until it is approved and comes out as a concrete substantial vaccination program without any deficit or any crisis further. Until unless it is declared that it is a vaccine to fight against COVID, and once the scientists approve it, of course the government will put in place the mechanism. But yes, indeed, there have been politics we have seen in recent past, and that seems to be one of the reasons why Prime Minister emphasized that there should not be politics as far as vaccination against the biggest pandemic is concerned.
Absolutely, Ashutosh. Thank you very much for joining us with those details. On that, this is the Chief Ministers and the Prime Minister meeting on COVID preparedness and the crisis and how to handle it.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.